this project, you're going to need a hot glue gun, some glue sticks, sequins, paint and a paintbrush, some yarn, egg cartons, a pair of scissors, and a felt pen. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is cut a section of your egg carton off and just cut the bottom part so that it's fairly smooth. Okay, next you're going to want to paint your egg carton in whatever color you choose. I chose this pretty purple and I used an acrylic paint. Give your egg carton a few minutes to dry and then add the googly eyes using the hot glue. Next, I added a smiley face with my Jiffy marker. Next, you can poke a hole in the top of the egg carton where you can pull the yarn through. Tie all the yarn together and then with one piece of yarn, pull it through the middle of the egg carton. Next, I used my hot glue to embellish it a little bit more by adding some sequins. I work at a preschool, and here's some of the jellyfish the kids and I had fun making. Another great thing for the kids to do is to take the yarn and thread beads on it. That's really good for their fine motor skills. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you'd like more craft ideas for kids, please follow along at Happy Little Makers. Thank you.